Today we're going to take you through the basics of editing in Capcut. First, go to your apps and select Capcut. This brings you up your start page. Click on New Project. Select the folder or photos or videos, whatever you want to add. I've got them in folders. Here I select the photos. You can have as many or as few as you want. Once I've done that, click on the videos. Select my video and then go down to the bottom right corner and click Add. This brings us up our what's called a magnetic timeline. You can scrub backwards and forwards through this just by sliding your fingers backwards and forwards across the screen. Now, to start editing the video, you highlight the video, grab the white handle at the end and move it slowly to the point you want your video to start at. So we think that'll do. Good enough spot there. Scrub through a little bit to make sure you're happy. Now to find the place you want to end, just scrub through. Check you're happy with the point you want to end. And then click on Split. Now you've split your video, your original video, into two parts. You keep going through the video, selecting the bits you want and the bits you don't want. The bits you don't want you highlight and delete, and the others you have all in a line here. Everywhere you want to make a cut, click Split, grab the handle if you wish. Takes you to the start point on each clip. You can open up these again. It's not ruined if you've gone too far, because you can just grab the handle and move it back out again. You can slide it any way. You just keep doing this until you've got all the clips in a line, deleted the ones you don't want. Now on the photos, you want to move them around. You press and hold and they turn into thumbnails. Once they've turned into a thumbnail, you can move it anywhere on the magnetic timeline that you wish to have it. You can move as many of them. You can move them backwards and forwards. Totally flexible. Now, once you're happy that all your photos are in place, we need to shorten them because photos normally come on the magnetic timeline in sort of 3-4 seconds, and you don't want them any more than sort of 1.5 to 2 seconds. So go along and select each photo, grab the handle and slide it down to roughly the same size. Press play. Make sure you're happy. Perfect. Now, to add transitions, there's a little white box between each clip with a minus sign in it. Click on that. That brings you up your transitions. If you go into the search bar at the top, you've got so many transitions, it'd take you an hour to go through them, but click on that. And my favorite one for this is called Mix. So you just type Mix in, hit enter, and top left is the one called Mix. Select that, click on the little Apply to All. That puts them all. You don't have to go through each clip individually then. The transition will automatically go into every clip. Once we're happy with all that, we want to add music. So click Audio. And again, this is going to bring us up loads of stuff. So type in the type of music you want. I typed in epic on this one. And you get lots of options. So epic music. Now you can click on any of these boxes which will play the type of music or play the tune that's there. You just go through till you find one you like. Yep, this will probably do for the purpose of demonstration. Click Add, and there it is on your timeline. Now we come to where we want to add text. Click on the black box at the end of your timeline. Go down to the bottom. Click on the T for text. And next to it is an A with a plus. Add text. That brings you up a text box. Type in whatever you need to do in there. All the horses breathing, details about it. You can put lots of information in these because you can put several of these boxes in. So it's not just restricted to one. Grab the corner, slide it into where roughly the size you want. Click on animations. This is how this type reacts in the box. You can see there it plays through, so it's not just static. Now to add more text, do the same thing again. Click on the text box, click add text. This brings it up into the center. Move the box down to the bottom. Type in what you want. Now to go back to the music, because the music is running on and on. So we select audio, select the music track and click split. That highlights the piece you don't want. Click delete. And there we have it. Up to the top right corner, click export. And now it's in your photos and ready to share wherever you want.